students. Today we are going to discuss about graphs for vertically projected bodies. We know that when a body is projected vertically upwards with some initial velocity, the time taken to reach the greatest height. At the greatest height, the velocity becomes zero. The time taken is t equals to u by z, and then moves downward and reaches the same level with the same time u by z. The total time taken equals to u by z plus u by z. That is 2u by z. So one thing you need to remember here, so consider upward direction is positive and downward direction is negative. And see, for what is the graph for speed versus time? Speed versus time. So when the object moving upwards, the speed becomes zero. The speed reduces zero linearly. And then after reaching the greatest point and then falls freely here. Then speed increases. Speed increases. See here, slope constant. Then here also slope constant. We know that slope of VT graph gives acceleration. Then for if you draw a velocity time graph, velocity time graph. Initially, it has some initial velocity u, and then after reaching the greatest point with constant retardation, constant acceleration, it achieves zero velocity, and then moving downward velocity. So this is the VT graph for vertically projected bodies. Vertically projected bodies. And then if you draw a displacement time graph, displacement time graph. See, it is starting from 0. Take this as horizon and it reaches the greatest height. It reaches the greatest height and then again falls freely, again reaches the zero displacement. Zero displacement, zero displacement. So this is, at this point, the slope is here 0. That means velocity 0. So displacement versus time graph, slope of is equals to velocity. See, if you draw a tangent, so the velocity is keep on decreases. The velocity is keep on decreases. And then if you draw a tangent, here the velocity increases in negative direction. Velocity increases in negative direction. So if you draw a graph between distance versus time, distance versus time. See, for first half of the journey, the distance traveled by the projectile is body is this is the speed, and then the distance for freely falling. There is second part here. So this is for here velocity 0, and then again it is moving. So this is the distance time graph. We all know that acceleration here constant. That is 9.8 meter per second square. Hope you understand. Thank you.